Hi, I'm Matt, one of Hydroviv's water nerds. In today's episode, we'll be talking about some problems we found in Lexington, Kentucky's drinking water. There's a lot going on in Lexington's water, but the big things that stick out are Chromium 6, Disinfection Byproducts, and Chloramine. Let's nerd out. Chromium 6 is also known as the Aaron Brockovich chemical. It is an extremely toxic metal that is not currently regulated by the EPA. Lexington's tap water has recently averaged 76 parts per trillion for chromium 6. These levels are nearly 4 times higher than what the state of California's toxicologists have determined to have a negligible impact on cancer risk. Next, disinfection byproducts, or DBPs. These are part of a category called emerging contaminants, which means that their risk to human health is not yet fully understood. DBPs form when chlorine-based disinfectants react with naturally occurring organic matter. While they are not currently regulated very well, the EPA says on its website that exposure to high levels of DBPs is associated with an increased risk of bladder cancer, as well as kidney, liver, and central nervous system problems. Lexington's tap water has recently had relatively high levels of DBPs, with a recent average of 123 parts per billion for the 2 unregulated classes. The last thing to note is chloramine. Although most cities use chlorine as their primary disinfectant, Lexington's water is disinfected with chloramine, which is generated by combining chlorine and ammonia. Chloramine is often responsible for what customers report as the bad taste of their tap water. While this may not be harmful on its own, many people find that removing chloramine from drinking water greatly improves the taste and smell of their water. These data are super important to us at Hydroviv because we use it to create filters specifically optimized for Lexington's water. Hydroviv is the only water filter that uses this approach. All the other filters are mass-produced using a one-size-fits-all system. You can learn more about Hydroviv filters by visiting our website at hydroviv.com. If you like this video, consider subscribing for more information like this. Our videos will help you spot scams, learn about ways to improve your home's water quality, and get water quality alerts before anyone else. See you next time.